Welcome to the Backwards Loop Cast-On with Lattes and Llamas presents Double Knitting. You'll need 2 different colored yarns and a pair of knitting needles. The first step is to tie a knot in the ends of your 2 yarns. Do not fear the knot. It can be pulled into your knitting and will completely disappear. Here, I'm going to use my index finger or thumb to pinch the knot to my needle and hold it steady. And I'll work my first backwards loop cast on. I'm making a loop out of my yarn and inserting the needle through the loop and then pulling it snug. Not too snug. You want to be able to knit through it. Bring the contrasting color from behind and in front of the loop you just made and repeat the process. Here again, I'm going to bring that yellow yarn from behind and then in front of the navy yarn, make a loop, and insert my needle through the back of the loop. I'm twisting them so that the loop I'm about to make comes from behind and in front of the loop I just made. And you get nice, neat, alternating stitches. So let's watch a few more. As long as you keep bringing the new yarn from behind and to the front of the yarn you just used, you'll wind up with a nice, neat edge. At this point, you may have realized your yarns are getting woefully twisted. Don't worry about it. It's normal. You can untwist them when you're done. And there you have it, the backwards loop cast on for double knitting. Time for a llama life hack. As I'm sure you noticed, your yarns got very, very twisted while you were working that cast on. My hack for untwisting them is to stab the unused needle right through the work so that it's held in place. This just keeps my needles from flooping around, getting caught on things, and whacking into anything. Lift it up in the air, and it'll naturally untwist itself. Llama problem solved.